You been her daddy for 6 years. The only daddy that she know.
Hold on, baby. What? The last 6 years?
I'm sure we have all seen that video, and if not, well, you just saw a small bit of it. But basically, in a nutshell, this gentleman was with his girlfriend, and after years, he found out that this child that he thought was his for 6 years is not his. Fast forward, the family had an event, and the sister invited the child and the child's mother to the event. There are so many issues here, one of which, firstly, I believe that the sister, and I'm assuming the other guy is his brother, does not like this dude, and they use the child and the child's mother as a way to get back at him for something. Because there's no way you're going to tell me that you have your sibling, and this your sibling was taking care of a child that was not his for 6 years, and you invite that child to a family event in his face, and you can't understand the emotional turmoil he may be going through. Are you crazy? Secondly, if I was that dude, the moment I saw the child there and I asked what's going on here, and my sister, or again, I'm assuming the other guy is his brother, was to say I invited them, I would leave. There would be no argument for anyone to video. I would have left immediately and blocked all of them. Thirdly, the sister, and again I'm assuming the guy is the brother, is actively trying to gaslight the man, talking about what about the child's feelings. What about the child's feelings? What about the man's feelings? And this man is not saying anything to the child. The man is simply, but this man is irate. This man is in a very emotional state. Fourthly, that woman should not, even if you were invited, you should not have went. You know what you did to this man. Fifth and last point I'm going to make. This woman keeps talking about you're the only father the child knows. What? Bitch? What? I don't know. I genuinely, men, any woman you see picking up for the sister or the mother of the child, use that as a meter to say you're not going to talk to this woman and have a child with this woman. But then it's going to do the same thing to you. Women, please learn to understand. Men are not robots. We have feelings too. No one would expect a woman to deal with a situation like that. And I know some people are going to say, oh, but women deal with it too. Okay? So, just my thoughts again. I believe that that's just crazy. What are your thoughts? Drop it in the comment section. Make sure you follow me. Like my videos. Share my videos if you like. Alright?